My name is Larry Northrop from Toys for Big Boys and Harley Davidson in Moncton. Been fortunate enough to be using Easy-Kleen equipment for over the past 20 years. The models we're using with Easy-Kleen is the Firehouse model. We use the Firehouse model here at Harley Davidson Moncton, and we also use it at home in our warehouse facility, and it works phenomenal. The biggest reason why I've chosen the Easy-Kleen is the fact is the service they have. They're backing their product up. We have good reliability with the product, and we always have second to none in the service. We've recommended Easy-Kleen to a lot of different individual businesses around town just because of their service and great product, parts availability, you name it, we can get it. Easy-Kleen will take care of you.
My name is Michel Leblanc, known as Peach. I'm the detailer here. For the last 3 years, I've been using the Firehouse machine, and this machine works phenomenal. The pressure is awesome, easy to set. It works so great that I had to buy one for the house. You have to have the good solution to clean, but also you have to have the machine for it. And that Firehouse machine is the perfect machine to have.